Hi folks, my name is Earl Taylor, a real estate broker with Coldwell Banker at Success Realty. Are you looking for a quiet and private country property that is only minutes from all amenities in St. Thomas, Port Stanley, and a quick hop to the 401? Then check out this 2.9 acre hobby farm at 6378 Boxall Road, Port Stanley. This property is surrounded by mature trees, and you'll be able to relax on the large Sundeck that overlooks the waterfall pond with perennial gardens. And outside you'll find a 27-foot by 61-foot barn with 3 horse stalls and a chicken roost, a large storage space, a 2-car garage, a 28 by 19 workshop, and a 12-foot by 28 lean-to with 2 fenced paddock areas. The main floor of this aluminum-sided 2-story home features an eat-in kitchen with 3 built-in appliances that overlooks a cozy family room. There's also a formal dining room with hardwood floors that flow into the living room with a cozy propane fireplace. There's also a 4-piece bathroom and a main floor laundry room. The upper level features 4 large bedrooms, and if needed, you could easily develop one of these into a bathroom. Now, wasn't that an amazing property? If you would like more information, please call or text me anytime at 519-670-9223 or visit my website at realestateinstthomas.ca. Bye now.